This app's appears show you
how to add text in sticker in WhatsApp iPhone. First of all, make sure to update your iPhone iOS version to 17. Once done, go to your Photos app and open the photo that you want to make sticker. Now you have to select the object. So in this photo, the object is this cat. So to select this object, you have to tap and hold on the object, and the object will be selected. Now you have to tap on copy. Once you copy it, go to your WhatsApp and go to a conversation. Now tap on this message box. Again tap on this message box. Tap on paste. Once the sticker added here, now if you want to add text to this sticker, tap on edit sticker and here select text and now write here your text. You can change your text font from this list. To change color, you can do it using this slider. And now you can pinch your fingers to make the text smaller or bigger. To rotate, you can do it like this. You can also change the position of the sticker text. That's how you will be able to add a sticker or a emoji to this sticker by tapping on this icon. And you can select emoji to add it. You can also draw something using this pen icon. Tap on done, tap on send, and that's it. This is how we can add text in sticker for WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.